Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can change the background color in passport size photo. Okay, let's get into it. For today's tutorial, I'm going to use the inshot application. If you don't have this application installed on your phone, you can get it from Play Store or Apple Store. And after you have installed this application, you can open it, then go to the photo section. Then you can click on this new option to start creating new project. And let's say that this is my passport size photo, and I'm going to change the background color of this photo. Okay, and we can click on the cutout option to remove the background. Click on this cutout option again, and now the background has been removed. Then click on this check mark. Then we're going to select the background color right here on the background option, and I'm gonna go with blue color. Okay, and click on this check mark, and we can adjust the position like this. And now it's done. Alright guys, and that's how we can change the background color in passport size photo. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.